Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figeroux Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. Trump administration wants mandatory social media disclosure for immigrants in green card and citizenship applications. In a move that has sparked concerns over privacy and free speech, the Trump administration has proposed a policy that would require immigrants applying for green cards, citizenship, and other immigration benefits to disclose their social media handles. The policy, part of a broader immigration reform effort, aims to enhance the vetting process for applicants and could potentially have far-reaching implications for First Amendment rights. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, unveiled the proposal on March 5, 2025, citing a 2025 executive order signed by President Trump on his first day in office. This executive order requires federal agencies to collect all information necessary for a rigorous vetting and screening of all grounds of inadmissibility or basis for the denial of immigration-related benefits. In this context, USCIS states that collecting social media information is necessary for enhanced identity verification, vetting, and national security screening. The administration proposes using applicants' social media handles to help validate an applicant's identity and to assess whether they pose a security or public safety threat. The policy would apply to millions of applicants annually, including those seeking U.S. citizenship, green cards, and asylum. This proposed policy builds on earlier efforts, such as the 2019 Department of State rule requiring visa applicants to submit social media history from the last 5 years. However, the new proposal extends the requirement to immigrants already residing in the U.S. who are adjusting their status, including those applying for citizenship or permanent residency. The administration argues that this measure is necessary for national security, pointing to the broader framework set in Trump's January 2025 executive order, which also called for the identification of immigrants in the U.S. who may hold hostile attitudes toward America. This order laid the groundwork for what critics have called a second travel ban, targeting individuals from majority Muslim countries. However, critics of the proposal warn that it could infringe upon First Amendment rights. The First Amendment protects free speech and expression for all individuals, not just U.S. citizens. By requiring immigrants to disclose their social media profiles, some argue that the government could be infringing on individuals' right to express their opinions and beliefs freely, without fear of government scrutiny or retaliation. Legal experts also raise concerns about the potential for discrimination. They warn that social media activity, often highly personal and nuanced, could be misinterpreted, leading to biased or unfair denials of immigration benefits. There are also fears that this could create an atmosphere of self-censorship, where applicants, worried about their online activity being scrutinized, may alter their behavior to avoid jeopardizing their immigration status. The proposal is open for public comment until May 5, 2025, and stakeholders, advocacy groups, and the general public are encouraged to voice their concerns. Once the comment period ends, the administration plans to review the feedback before finalizing the policy. As the debate unfolds, the proposed policy raises important questions about the balance between national security and individual freedoms, particularly in an age of increasing government surveillance and digital connectivity. With millions of immigrants affected, this proposal could reshape the immigration landscape in significant ways.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, Visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.